I got a whirlpool washer that makes a clicking sound when agitating. Model no. WTW 4950 XW2.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. Can you tell where the noise is coming from?
It sounds like the noise is coming from the transmission.
Okay, this unit has a splutch assembly. As the agitator moves from one direction to the next, it has a tendency of making a racheting noise. Could that be what you are hearing?
Yes, but it is louder than normal.
Okay, that helps. How old is the unit?
It is about 3 years old. I repair TV and appliances. I own Hills TV and appliances. I used to be an authorized Whirlpool repair station, but they said I didn't do enough warranty to keep my franchise.
You got to love it, right? In trying to get a job aid to open at this time through Service Matters. Taking its sweet time.
I know what you mean. I have been doing this stuff since 1975 and I am about to get tired of it. I can't call the tech line anymore. They wanted me to pay $300.00 a year. I said no. Can I talk to you by phone? It would sure help.
Okay, finale, got it. I think if you put some grease on the top side of the motor pulley, this will stop/soften the clicking noise.
You mean the pulley on the transmission, not the motor, right?
Yes, the one on the bottom of the transmission shaft.
One more thing, what type of grease and how much?
I recommend Rykon RED grease, part number 74940.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.